Brothers and sisters, we've started one of our distributions here. We're trying to give as much aid to the Rohingya as we can. We're giving out 400 parcels today. Once this truck is finished, that's it, it's finished. Eventually we're going to run out of aid. But there are close to 400,000 people, 400,000 Rohingya refugees that have fled Myanmar and come into Bangladesh, who are hungry, who are thirsty, who need shelter, who need medical aid, who need your support. Unless you donate, we're not going to be able to give anything. The scene here is crazy. People are desperate. They're dying for food. We've seen so many fights happen today already. Genuine fights. People have been knocked out because they're desperate. They're desperate for aid. They're desperate for the donations which you have. And they're waiting for you to give it. They're literally asking, where is the Ummah? Where are the Muslims? Where are my brothers and sisters? They're asking these questions. What answer will you give when you don't respond? What answer will you give when you keep the money in your pockets? What answer will you give when you go to sleep full and they go to sleep hungry for another night? My brothers and sisters, donate whatever you can. Anything, even £1, £30 will help us provide a food pack to an entire Rohingya family, and it will last them weeks. Unless you give, we can't give. We are here on the ground. We are distributing this aid. I am distributing it personally on your behalf. The team in Bangladesh is distributing it on your behalf. But we are going to run out of aid unless you continue to donate. And these people, our brothers and sisters, they will remain hungry unless you continue to donate. So please, call the donation line on 0121 446 5682 or visit islamichelp.org.uk to make a generous donation. £30, £100, £1,000. Give £10,000. Any amount you can give. Please donate. Please share this video. Assalamu alaikum.